Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to show you how to draw a giraffe face. So, to start our giraffe face, we're going to begin with the eyes. So, I'm going to start by drawing a circle right here for one eye. And then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another circle over here. Next, I'm going to draw a circle in the corner, or I should say at the top of each one of these. And then I'm just going to color the rest of the circle in. Next, I want to draw the eyelids. So starting right here at the eye, I'm going to draw a small curve on top of each eye. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down by each eye. Then underneath here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a little curve. And then I'm going to draw a little bit bigger curve inside. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up and then goes in like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. It's going to go up and then in like that. Then in between here, not touching these lines, I'm going to draw a little bump like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up. And then starting here, I'm going to draw another line that curves up like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, draw a line that curves up. And then starting down here, draw a line that curves up like that. Then on top of here, I'm just going to draw some zigzag lines. And then I'm just going to draw a big bump on top of it for the horns. Then starting right here by the eye, I'm going to draw a line that goes in and then out like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go in and then out just like that. Then underneath this line, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then over like this. And then I want to do the same thing over here, just going the opposite direction. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes all the way to this line, and it's going to go around that curvy line that I just drew. That's going to be one nostril. And then I want to draw the same thing over here. Then I'm just going to connect the inside of these. And then just color them in. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little bit more of the line. And then I'm going to do the same thing there. Now, starting right here at this nostril, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and around and then comes back up here. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down and then around here on this side, just for part of the mouth. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then towards the mouth. And then I want to do the same thing over here, draw a line that goes down and then towards the mouth. Now for the ears. So giraffes' ears, they are either sticking straight out or they're up a little bit. So to draw the ear, I'm just going to go up with a curved line like this. Then I'm going to go out. And then I'm just going to curve this all the way back towards the eye. Now inside of here, I'm actually just going to redraw that shape just like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to curve up and then go up at an angle and then down back towards the eye. Then I'm just going to redraw that shape in there, just like this. Now for the neck. So to draw the neck, I'm going to start right up here by the bottom of the eye, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down to the bottom of my paper. And then down here by the mouth, I'm going to draw another line, just like that. Now, giraffes have a little mane that goes down their neck. So I'm going to draw just a really zigzag line like this. I'm making these zigzags all different sizes. And I'm just going to go all the way down the neck. Sorry, you can't see that. Just like that. Now, for the spots on here. So the spots on the giraffe, on the neck, they're very big and they're almost kind of like rounded rectangles. Now when you draw these, just kind of keep in mind almost like rectangular shapes that have round corners on them. Now the spots are always separated by lines. So you want to leave a little bit of space in between all of your spots that you are coloring, or drawing I should say. You just want to leave space between all of these spots like that. Then giraffes are also going to have spots on the sides of their faces, and it's going to follow that same pattern. You're leaving different little lines in between all of these. They're also going to have a few spots on their face as well, coming up the nose. And just kind of keep that rectangular shape idea in your head when you're making these. Like this. Connect these. So just like that. Then you can also put a few more up here as well. Then you can always come in and you can add a few little extra lines and some spots on your giraffe. Just to add a little bit more detail. And I can always add a few lines going up the mane here. And there you go. There's your drawing of a giraffe. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.